Yeah. So here if you see, uh, so if you see in the area playground, two-dimension array, this is by using for each. So first we'll see array aggregation method. Okay. So module. So what is this method? By using for each first method, method one we'll see. Okay. So this is method one. So if you see the method one, module two-dimensional packed array method one. Okay, array. So I am declaring array underscore 3 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 2. Okay, so 0 to 1, 0 to 2. How many means how many rows and how many columns? Two rows and three columns. No. So like this we can write, or we can write like this also. That means two rows and how many columns? Three columns. Yeah, two rows and three columns. Okay, and I'm declaring integer I comma j initial begin method one. Method one means individually you need to assign the values. So array underscore 3 0 comma 0 is one tick binary one. Array underscore 3 0 comma 1 is one tick binary one, and array underscore 3 is what 0 comma 2 is one tick binary 0, and 1 comma 0 is one tick binary 1, 1 comma 1 is one tick binary 1, and 1 comma 2 is one tick binary 1. Okay, method 1 is what for displaying I need to use for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than how much? I less than 2, and I equal to I plus 1, or you can use I plus plus also. Okay, or if you are using so integer you declared, no. Suppose if I am not declaring integer, here method 1 means how I need to do int I, and here I can give I plus plus. It will take. Okay, within this loop only I can declare the variable. Okay, so I j plus plus I am doing. Okay, this is what j plus plus. So dollar display, the value of array underscore 3 is percentage e, percentage g is percentage b I comma j array underscore 3 I comma j. Okay, end, and this end and end. So the end model. Is it fine? Do you understood? Okay, so select all, copy, and see in the playground. So run this code. So you are getting this value, the value of array 30. So whatever the values I am assigning, that I am getting over here. Is it fine? Okay. So this is method one, and method two is you need to use array aggregation method. Okay. For inserting the values, you need to use array aggregation method. So here, so array, so reg array. So you can declare like this also. 1 down to 0 also you can declare. Okay, it will take integer I comma j. Okay, and method 2 means I am inserting the elements by using array aggregation method, and display by using you can use for each, or you can use for loop also. Okay, so for loop, so just select all, copy, and see in the playground, run this code. So what I am getting, the value of array is so it is getting like this. Okay, next is method 3. Okay, method 3 is you need to declare means you need to display in terms of you need to use the format specifier percentage p. Here for displaying this I am using a format specifier percentage p. Okay, so here what I am doing, so here if you see, so yeah, so select all, copy, and paste in the playground and run this code. So I am getting the values like this. Okay, yeah. So this is what this is two-dimensional array. Okay. Next we'll see with three-dimensional array. Okay. So three-dimensional array. So 3D array. So 3D array is like this. Suppose a reg array of uh, array of 2, 2 and 3. Okay, 2, 2 and 3. Okay. So first, so that means first you need to draw this one. Okay. So that means how many locations? That means how many locations are there? Two locations. Yeah, two locations. This is 1D array. Okay. Actually, this is 1D array. In this, how many are there? Like, so three locations are there. Three columns. Okay. And so actually first you need to draw this one, and after this you need to draw this one, three. And this is for dimension. Okay. Dimension means what? So 3D. So one more dimension. This is one dimension actually. This is one dimension. Again you need to draw the two dimension. It will come in the back side. Okay. So that means here, so if you draw like this, okay, if you draw like this, so backside again you have two more locations, three more locations are there. Is it fine? Or shall I try one more time? Fine? Yeah. So this is a 3D array, 3D array. And next is packed and packed and unpacked array. Okay, packed and unpacked array. So packed and unpacked array means what? So it is the combination of both packed and unpacked array. Okay. So if you see the packed and unpacked array, so let us take one example. Reg 1 down to 0, array of 2. Okay, array of 2. Reg 1 down to 0, array of 2. So how to find out this? So that means it is how it will be there. So array of 2 means how many locations? Two locations, you know. Array of 2. Array of 2 means what? Two locations. This is 0th location and first location. Okay. And in each location, how many bits you can accommodate? This is a vector. It's like a vector. 2 bits. Yeah, 2 bits like this. Is it fine? Okay. So suppose if you take reg, let us take 1 down to 0 and 1 down to 0, array of 2, array of 2. Okay. So first you need to come from here. That is, this is actually array of 2. So first you need to come from here. Okay. This is first. So that means if you draw this, that means total how many locations? First you need to draw the array. Okay. So two locations, two rows. This is for two rows. And next you need to come from second, this one. Okay. So that means how many columns are there? Two columns, no? 1 down to 0 means two columns. Again, last you need to come this one. That means in each column we can accommodate how many bits, how many each like each column, each this one I can accommodate two bits. Okay. So this is 0 1. Again this is 0 1, 0 1 and 0 1. Like this we need to do. Okay. Hmm? Suppose we already seen the two-dimensional array, no? Packed array. Suppose one down to 0 array is there. How we can analyze this? This is array, no? Array means what? So with horizontally we need to make these two locations horizontally. This is a vector, no? Actually, this is like a vector. Okay, and in each location we can have like two values. So this is 0 1 and this is 0 1. Okay. Okay. Suppose Let us take reg 2 down to 0, 1 down to 0, array of 2 comma 2, 2 and 2. Okay. First, what it will come? Tell me. First, yeah, right side one. Yeah, right side one. So you need to make two locations. Okay, you need to make two locations. This is 0th location, first location, and next again 2. So again, yeah, 2 means what? So here in this 2, again these 2 are there, no? Okay, 2 are there. Okay, again these 2 are there, and next this will come, no? Yeah, okay. So that means uh, so yeah, 3 columns. So the 3 columns. So like this 3 columns. Here also 3 columns. 3 columns. Again fourth it will come like this. That means here so 2 like this. Is it fine? Two lines, yeah, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. This one, 1 and 2. Okay. So that means in each one I can accommodate 2 bits like this. Okay. So how to visualize means like suppose if it is a packed array. So suppose if it is a packed array, how to visualize? So packed array means it's like a vector only. Like we are making as a horizontal. Horizontally, it will store. Okay. And unpacked array means what? Unpacked array means vertically it will store. So like vertically it will store. Okay. This is unpacked array. Okay. So like suppose if you take packed array in packed array in SV. Okay, in SV if you take, so let us take one example. Suppose the reg 1 down to 0 and 2 down to 0 array is there. Okay, array is there. So how to uh, do like this? First this one will come. So that means here two locations. There are two locations. In each location we can accommodate. Next this will come. So how many bits? 3 bits. Okay, 3 bits. Okay, so that means here so that means this is what group of vectors only. Okay, this is what group of vectors only. Okay, vectors, group of vectors. Suppose if I want to access uh, this is what, this is the 0 and 1. Okay, if I want to access these elements, what I can write? Array of 0, no? Array of 0. If I want to access these elements, I can access array of 1. Okay, array of 1. But in Verilog, suppose in Verilog we studied like reg 2 down to 0 a and reg 2 down to 0 b. These two are what? Vectors. Okay, suppose if we want to concatenate, how to write? Reg 5 down to 0 c I can write. Okay, so I am declaring one more variable. So that means this is how many? 3. This is how many? 3. So that means 5 down to 0 means 6. So I am concatenating. That is what c equal to, I am using concatenating. What is that? A comma b. Okay, so that means here suppose total 6 variables are there. 6 locations are there. So so total these are 6 locations. So index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I want to access this 5 to 3. I want to access this 5 to 3. How to access slicing? 5 is to 3. Okay. Suppose if I want to access only these 2 down to 1, 2 down to 0, 2 is to 0. Okay. So that means in Verilog, so we are accessing with what this size. So, but in SystemVerilog, it's directly we are accessing how much, how we are accessing array of 0 and array. This is index, array of 0 and array. Okay. Suppose if it is in unpacked array, suppose in unpacked array, reg array 2 comma 3. Okay, array 2 comma 3. Suppose array equal to 1 I am giving. Okay, is it possible? I am giving array equal to 1. We should access the locations, no? Actually, here locations are not there. How to access array of 0 comma 0? 0 0, that is equal to what? 1. We should always access the, we should, yeah, access the locations. Yeah, we need to always access the locations of this array. Okay, directly you will get error. So this is not possible. Did you understood? Okay, okay. So, so just this one you try. Insert the elements using array aggregation method. Array aggregation method, and next insert the element using accessing the memory locations. Okay, insert the elements using accessing the memory location, and display using for loop. Display using for loop, and this also you try. I told you, no. So this one access these elements. Access these elements. Okay. So these are the tasks you should do. Okay. Is it fine? Do you understood the packed and unpacked arrays? Okay, I'll share this just to go through that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.